Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Tutanota and set up encrypted inbox rules, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download Tutanota, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in tutanota.com and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the download section on the home page. Choose the appropriate version for your device, whether it's Windows, macOS, or a mobile app for Android or iOS. Click on the download button to initiate the download process. After the download completes, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the installation file to begin the setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Once installed, open the Tutanota application. You will be prompted to create a new account or log in to an existing one. If creating a new account, enter your desired email address and password. Confirm that you agree to the terms and conditions before proceeding. Next, verify your email address as per the instructions provided. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu within the application. Look for the Inbox Rules section within the settings. Here, you can create rules for managing your encrypted inbox. To create a new rule, click on the Add Rule button. Specify the conditions for the rule, such as sender or subject line. Then, choose the action you want the rule to perform, like moving emails or marking them as important. Save your new rule to activate it. Repeat the process for any additional rules you wish to create. After setting up your inbox rules, test them to ensure they function as intended. Review your settings periodically to adjust rules as your needs change. Now you have a fully functional Tutanota account with customized inbox rules to enhance your email management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.